Not for Junji.
Junch.
Yeah, he seems to be not showing aggression.
Come here. Hi, Junch. Oh God, this skunk will go down.
Follow me.
Well, he
Hi,
looks
Junch.
kind of like Mom. That's not Mom. That was like right there. Oh, good Lord. They're right by my feet. No, we gotta go around, guys. No, no, that's a shovel. Can I come? Your brothers and sisters are already gone.
Oh, Whitey.
Don't call him Bulger. Whitey Bulger. Oh, I heard them grunting. Come on, buddy. Yep. Go on. Go back and join your family. Nope, that's not the way. Oh, you silly. Hey, silly. You gotta go the other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Huh? There you go. Under you go. What are your thoughts on the subject, Junch? You could care less.
No.